I made $1,000 this weekend selling stuff I'm not using anymore on Facebook Marketplace and forums. Let me show you how. First, here's the proof just from the forums. $245, $233, and $484. And from Facebook Marketplace, $250 for a Canon lens and $250 for a Canon T3i. On the forums, I had a bunch of electric skateboard parts that have been laying around in the garage. And that's a super niche market, so there aren't a ton of people who are constantly looking for electric skateboard parts. If you want to get started in Facebook Marketplace, it's really as easy as digging around in your closet, finding things for sale, taking some pictures, and posting it up for a competitive price. The Canon lens and body that I sold is over 10 years old. I was even surprised how easy it sold. If you have products that are a little more niche specific, you're going to get on those specific forums and post them up there and create a thread as well. If you're extra resourceful, you can find products for cheap, if not free, garage sales and secondhand stores. If you want to know what my #1 side hustle is, drop a comment or click the link in bio.